Welcome back to one more episode on how to build ChatGPT using React and Tailwind. In today's episode, we are going to basically do this layout. On the left, we are going to have like our chats. On the right, we are going to have our prompts. We are going to start by actually giving some background color to our components so that we see the screen that it's occupying, and I will set it to occupy the full screen. To do this, basically what we are going to do is set a grid so that this occupies like 20% of the screen and this 80% of the screen. To do so, we have this part of the code that for now it will be bothering, but we can say that we are going to have a 10 columns grid, and we will say that this one will occupy 3 of those 10, and this one will occupy 7, and we can even put this in here. We can say chats for this one if we come here, we can already see that we have like this left part. I'm gonna put it occupying 2 instead of those 8, those 3, and in here, no, this will occupy 2, this will occupy 8, so that we have like a more distributed. I don't even know if I actually like it. I prefer the 3, 7. So now that we have this here, we are going to basically put the chat on the bottom. So let's do this one. Margin bottom auto. Of course, like this. So that our chat comes here. In here, instead of this, we are going to have like a full width that occupies the total width. So we are going to have, this is actually bothering me a bit, but no problem. Text area. We can even copy this one to here. This is no longer being in use, but we can create a new grid. I'm gonna put this on this side so that we can see. Our grid, our button will be on the right side, so I'm going to say that this grid will be a grid calls 10 as well. Our text area will occupy 9 of those 10. This can go out. Our answer will come here and will for now occupy 10, and we are going to basically have something like how much is 1 plus 1. We click get answer, and we are going to have our answer in here. We can set our background to a lighter color, so for now we have a reddish color that it's this one. If we take it out, it's gonna be like this, but we can have a slate, not in here, we want it as the, like this, and on our left a darker color being the slate with Android, but we are going to set the text to white so that it appears like this. So now we have on our right basically our chat, on our left our chats. In the next episode we are going to basically start doing as a conversation, so basically following, doing the real chat. For now we have like a prompt, so we ask a question like, how tall is the Eiffel Tower? And it will reset us our answer and say and tell us the height of the Eiffel Tower. And for that we want to have actually a context. So in the next episode we will take care of that, so that in the further episodes we will start storing our conversations in the database, so that we can later come and get it. Thank you very much. I hope to see you in the next episode. If you have any questions, please post them on our comments. We will be able to answer them all in the same day or in the day after. And if possible, please leave a like and a subscribe. Thank you very much. See you in the next episode.